Today I'm going to show you how to create a loop and send it to the office for review. The first thing you're going to do is log into your mykw.kw.com. Once you've logged in, you're going to see this page here with your eEdge control panel in the center. You're going to click on the plus sign next to the My Transactions and then go to the second option, which is Transaction Home. Once you do that, you're going to be rerouted into .loop. Now you have two different views. You can either do the grid view, which is what we see here with the circles, or if you select the three lines in the red circle, that's going to switch you to the list view. With the list view, it's going to show you all of your loops in a list. It's also going to give you the status of the loop as well. In order to create a loop, you're going to click on Create a Loop in the list view, or if you're on the grid view, you're simply going to click the big red plus. At this point, you're going to name your loop. Typically, you would name it the address. If you have a buyer and you don't have an address yet, then you will just put in the buyer's name. And then later on, once you have an address, you can go in and edit the name. Once you put in the address, you're going to click Create Loop, and that's going to take you into the actual loop. You have a few different sections here. You have a document section, you have a people section, and then you have an add tasks section. In the people section, you should always see yourself, and you should always see the admin for the office. At any point, you can add a person. By doing that, you are simply adding in your clients, and then once you've added the client, you're going to make sure that you have given that person a role. With the roles, the only people that will be able to sign documents are the listing agent, the buyer's agent, the buyer, and the seller. That's it. Once you've added in your people, then up under Documents, you're going to add in your documents. With this, again, you have a few different options. You can either add from your computer if you have a PDF that you've scanned to yourself, or if you want to create the documents within the system, then you can add from the templates. We're going to assume that you have the documents already signed, and you're simply going to find the document on your computer, open that folder, and with .loop, you can actually simply drag and click that document into the loop. Once the document is here, that's it. You're all done. The next step that you're going to do is up on the very top, you're going to hit the Submit for Review button. In here, this is where you're going to, again, put in your address. Once you've added in the address, you're going to hit the Next. And then you're going to select which folder you are going to be submitting. Once you have the folder selected, off to the right you're going to select the type of document that is within the folder. So if this is a listing, then the document type would be listing. If this is an offer or an offer on your listing, then the document type would be buying. Once you select the type of document, then you're going to hit the red Submit button. At that point, you're going to see next to the folder name, you're going to see the review status. So right now, this folder has been submitted, and you can see that it's at compliance review, which means that the office has it, and now you are just waiting for the office to let you know if everything is in there or not. That's it. That's how you create a loop and how you add your documents and how you submit it for review.